Hey, welcome back. So this section we have just did a video about intro and dashboard and articles and activity. Now we're gonna talk about experience. And we go back to this. This is the most important thing. Background. The background information. Once you've done intro and they give you a check mark, it's like okay, your intro looks good. Let's start working on other sections you can add to your profile. So background is the next section, which has three components: the work experience, education, and volunteer experience. This is the background section. And then obviously we have other sections like skills, accomplishments. We'll get to that, but let's focus on work experience. So this is how you add work experience. You add work experience. Uh, hello. And then you can look at the company, where you're from, the month you which month you started, which month you is it continuing? Are you still at the company or have you left the company? Like if you have left, you click on this so that it shows you that it's over, like it's no longer you're no longer there. So from 2007 to 2014, if you work there still, then you add this. If not, you can update your industry as well. Update your headline, hello at hello. Um, and then description and media. If you have any media to upload, I'll do a live one. I'm going to add a few to my profile very soon, so I'll do a live one, a live video very soon. But right now, this is the overview, and then obviously you can do it on and off. You can toggle between on and off. If you want to share with your network, then your network will be notified about this job change and any work anniversaries. So learn what is shared. You can click on this and you can learn what is shared. All right, so these are all the things that's being shared. You can change the privacy settings. I'm not sure if I should go through that in another video, and I will. So this is what's important. Profile picture, headline, intro, contact info, past experiences, past positions, education, volunteer experiences, languages, skills, publications, certifications, courses, projects, test scores, organizations, and patents. So definitely, we'll be going through each of these things in detail. So let's close this because I'm not. Yeah, I'm going to discard this. Discard. So let's look at experiences. So I've been at MemberClouds for 3 years, 4 months, and MemberClouds is this. Our website is such. So when you click on it, it goes to this place, right? It shows you we do a lot of events, and it's our website. We were founded in 2015. We have so okay. Definitely need to be working on that more. Um, it was a this started as a pet project, and now it's basically blowing up. Okay, so I need to keep working on it and make it better, right? So definitely have a picture, an icon, a logo, and so okay. So job positions, when to when, right? So this is current. So May 2018 to present, um, 7 months. This is what I did. You can check the website out. Um, then I add a photo coming soon. So these are two different pictures I posted. You can close. Okay. And then basically 1.5 years, or one and a half years. Basically course creation, creating courses, which you saw before, I think. You can always view the course online here. So 1.5 years. Basically, I share the link so that you can go check it out. So this is the course that I have started. We have getting started. We have foundations, podcasts, weekly updates, company structures, cryptocurrencies, innovations, leadership, management, supporting us, resources, working on your business, questions you need to answer, lots of questions, um, branding, case studies, marketing, networking, web design development, weekly webinars, being social media one, our network of groups, improving yourself, making money, opportunities, transitioning from being an employee to employer, e-commerce, MemberClouds, starting your own business, what's next, in, inspiration, big data, business and industry, fitness, health and fitness, and MCIA 2. So this is 1.5 years. So people should be able to see what you've done, especially with internet now, right? They need to be able to see what you've done. We have also the Slack work group, workspace, and VIP members can join here, etc. So pictures, again, people love pictures. Okay, definitely add some pictures to your. See how there's pictures here, and there's pictures here, and maybe there's some videos afterwards. There's not some more pictures here. Um, this is a link. This is WhatsApp group. Close. I have to keep scrolling down. And then profound ideation, 6 years, 7 months. Not as much, but yeah, there's okay. There's some pictures, some graphics here. This is a video, I believe. Nope, I do video marketing. Yep. So let's see. And then director, mobile application developer, two other roles. So Bitcoin solution architect, CEO, and then obviously Nick's job is Shopify partner, co-founder of Prodigy, Markham Nexus co-founder. Um, Let me see if I can change this. So okay, editing is something that has already this is no, not this one. Go back to my Markham Nexus. Markham Nexus. Okay, so these okay, holographic SEO, um, Kickstarter Sage for I'm not sure if I have that. Nope, guess not. Okay, discard. Okay. Um, so you need to add as much experience as you have. So these are all okay. So Bedford, cryptocurrency consultant. So add. I'm just going through my this section. I'm just going through everything, right? So I also worked with Nutrition Hub, um, Tech Ripples, Tech Startup Ripples, RHW Warehouse, Bruno Painting, the WordPress York Region group. And notice how there's all these graphics. I would like to add graphics and certificates like this one. I have a certificate, our different events, Betterford events, um, some videos, add as much graphics as you can. This is really cool. Like if you look at this, it's I guess well this business was sold and acquired, um, so it's great. So what else? Okay, so social GTA mobile reward solutions, mobile Markham, the antivirus. I was a partner for the antivirus business. Uh, okay, so beta testers. Um, okay, so WordPress Markham, full stack, content strategy developer for Great North Drain, which is now a multi-million-dollar company. I created the logo in the beginning. So America Luigi, yeah, social skill feed. I'm back at skill feed, obviously, since you're watching this on. No, actually, no, it's Skillshare. Skill feed is gone. It lasted for 8 months. Let's see. So M&A knows. North York home inspection, social GTA, JJ Jude. So see, if your profile looks like this, where you have all this experience, right? JJ Jude, Mona Home, Homeless Connect, Mobile Markham, project manager for these companies, the local QR code viral mobile solution for traffic, and then M&A again. So this is what a profile should look like. It should have as much detail as possible, especially what you're doing. If you are a freelancer, obviously talk to your clients, ask them if you have permission. Um, so, but if you just keep going, I'm not going to read it. I'm just going to keep going. Um, and so you can see this is the experience that a person should put onto the. There's no limit. There's like this is going back to 2011, right? And 2010, uh we just keep going. 2006, 2006. And oh, sorry, that's wait, am I in the right section? Yeah, so just keep going. Um, okay. So I think you get a point. This is a great, uh, very important section because people, especially if you're um a freelancer or you're starting your company or your business or your career, you should put as much experience as you can here, right? So I think this is giving you a good idea what you should put. You can put every position, any position, anything that you have done that is work related. Please put it up here so that people can browse and take a look at your experience. I'm just going to do a shortcut. Let me see if I can do this. So I'm going to do save to PDF. So this is a shortcut to reading people's profiles, especially if it's long, right? Mine was pretty long. Um, so this is pretty cool. So this is the PDF that I just created. That actually no, not that LinkedIn just created for me. So if you look at experiences, right? Experiences is here, and I'm going to go all the way down to okay. What's the next section after experiences? It is um, do, 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 do. Education. Okay, hang on. Hang on. Yeah. Um, education. Education. Okay, so education, let's go up again. So education is here. This is 49 pages of 50. Okay, so anyway, check out, download my PDF. I'm going to actually, I'll put my PDF in the section in Skillshare so you can download it so you don't have to do it yourself. But basically, if you look at this from here, oh, sorry, from experiences, 49 pages all the way down to 28 of 50. So I basically have 50 pages of experiences. Okay, I'll talk to you next time. Bye for now.